Sorry. But you made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and made a better one start. You've taught me everything from falling in love to letting go of a lie. Yes, you made me stronger, baby, by saying goodbye. Gab, nagising ba kita? Gab, pasensya ka na. Request kasi ito nila, Gab, no? Wala talagang kinalaman dito, Gab. I'd rather believe I'm not over you. Go ahead. There's nothing wrong with making believe. I know, 'cause I said you come back to me. Hindi ako sure. But time has been such a friend. Let me see if I can realize you. For setting me free. 'Cause you've made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and made a better one start. You've taught me from falling in love to letting go of a lie. Di ba di matulog? Yes, you made me stronger, baby, by saying goodbye. Sino nag-goodbye sa'yo, Boss Edge? Think again. Alam. Aralin ko pala ito. BRB, sleep lang. Sige, Gab. Good night, Gab. Good night. Sweet dreams, Gab. Sana maganda yung tulog mo, Gab. Salamat, Gab, sa pagdaan. Gusto mo, ikanta ko na lang to sa I'm falling in love to letting go of a lie. Ha? Baby, by saying goodbye. Ay, Boss Edge. Hindi ko pa siya naitawid ng maayos, Boss Edge. Pero maitatawid ko din yan soon. Oh. Saying goodbye. Dulo lang yung kinanta. Kasi nagulat naman ako noon, no? Alam ko yung kanta, pero hindi ko siya kinanta. All that I found is too good to be through. Ang baba. Want so much to give you this love and my heart that I'm feeling for you. First time ko kinanta ka. Wanna say we're crazy. Don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world's run out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Pag lalaki ang baba, I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take you to the good times, see you through the bad times. Iba ata yung nakapili kong key. Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together. Here, Charlie, thanks, forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world run out, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need, and all that I want is hold you forever. Ano ba yan, Boss Edge? Buti na lang hindi nag-SR. Huwag kang palakpak ka dyan, Kay. Kay! Tapos na ba ito? Standing strong forever. Sumabay pa talaga si Dilo Tessie. Sakto lang ba yun? Nothing's gonna stop us. We'll just dream together. Standing strong forever. Stop us now. And if this, practicein ko muna to. Yung perfect talaga, Boss Edge. Nothing's gonna stop us. I promise I'm gonna, yes. I'm gonna practice that song. Practice lang yun dito ngayon, no? First time ko yung kantahin. First time ba yun, no? Parang first time ata. Hala, bakit ka na? Nagkasama mo siya, nagsaselos ako. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Tatulungan mo ako kasi sasandukin ko yung ano. Hindi niya kasi ako pinapansin no, Mr. Cupido. Nagpaganda na ako, gusto niya yung exotic Sanang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Minsan siya ay nakausap, ako ay parang nasa ulang. Nang ako'y kanyang titigan, sa puso ay anong sarap. Kim, huwag kang magtawa-tawa dyan, Kim. Lagi kang mananaginip, pagkasama mo siya ay ligaya na walang patid. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Ba't hindi panahin ang kanyang damdamin at nang ako ay mapansin? Hindi ko na kailangan siya panahin ko, guys. Sasandukin ko na lang kaya siya, guys, no? Para mapansin niya ako. Hindi mo ko pinapansin. Ay, sorry. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Ba't hindi panahin ang kanyang damdamin? Kasi ayaw niyang panahin. Gusto niya kasi yung sandukin natin siya, guys, ba, no? Yung mga crush niyo. Hindi kayo pinapansin. Tawagin niyo lang ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan. Ang tagal mo talaga, Ginny. Ginny, ang tagal-tagal mo talaga, Ginny. Open your mouth, Ginny. Ginny, good evening, Ginny. Huwag mo pagalitan. Hugot na galing. Ay, hindi ako humuhugot. Ay, tapos pala. Oh. Di ko madinig maayos yung pambihira naman to. Balik lang po ako, ha. Thank you, Kuya Charlie. Joke lang yun. Kunwari lang yun, Kuya Charlie, no? the world sleeping, I stay up and think of you. You're back. Sorry po. And wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. Ano yan? 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. And there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in the room, dreaming about you. And nakalimutan ko yung tono, Boss Edge. Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. If you look in my eyes, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? I just wanna hold you close, but so far all I have are dreams of you. So wait for the day and the courage to say how much I love you. Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow, holding you tight. And nakalimutan ko talaga yung tono dito. I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about. Nakawa tayo, sige. Only the minus. Kalimutan ko doon kung palaas ba yun, oh. And all the world sleeping, I stay up and think of you. Can't believe that you came up to me and said, I love you. I love you too. Now I'm dreaming, Bani Conejo, of you tonight till tomorrow, and for all of my life. I'm sorry. Here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Hindi talaga ako sure doon ang message mo. Nagugulat kasi ako sa mga nire-request mo. Oh, wait lang, dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Tapos ano pa ini-request mo kanina? So, President only reminds me of you. Yes, Miss Vicky.
Di maamin ng damdamin
Ito pala yun.
na ngayon'y wala ka na sa aking piling. Araw-araw ang dalangin
Subukan ko lang ito.
ay
Hey.
mayakap ka muli at makinig. Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis.
Ba't kayo natawa?
Sinabi ko sa'yo
Hindi ko alam Pat na ito pala yun. Mahal pa rin kita. Parang dinadala ako sa... Naubos na kasi yung energy ko kanina, no? Kaya parang medyo... Matamlay na ako ngayon pag pa-end na talaga ng live. Sige, try natin. Female version. My version. Ba't gusto mo mag-up? Ipa-up kita dito ngayon. Ikaw kakanta. Pwede yan. Ay, hindi pala makapag-ano, no? Ay, invite ko pala si Kuya Mo, si Kuya Pogi. Pagpa-end na ako. Wag. Uy, bakit? Ang proud ko sa'yo, ah. Wag kang ganyan, ha? Kakandukin kita, Pat. Joke lang, Pat. Di maamin ng damdamin na ngayon'y wala ka na sa aking piling. Hala, uy. Araw-araw ang dalangin ay mayakap kang muli at maangkin. Ngunit ano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis at sinabi ko sa'yo nag-aya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain na sipat ng damin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita o giliw ka. Pambihirang kanta to, ha? Alaala. Uy, natulog. Buknoy, feeling ko natulog na sila Lutesi. Sino ba kasi yan? Si Kay. Sandali lang, bakit hindi ma-open? Uy, Sharina, baka may naalala ka dyan, ha? Di ba pang ano to? Pang oldies. Ngunit ano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko na nasaktan kita ng labis? At sinabi ko sa'yo nag-aya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain na isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin kita o giliw ka. Baka sa'yo, hoy, wala sa akin. Wala sa akin, Buknoy. Wala na bang ano? Wala nang pag-ibig. Ano sabi mo? Wala nang pag-ibig na babalik ka. Buknoy, gisingin mo si Jeannie at Lutesi. Piling ko natulog na sila dito. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin. Sino hanap ka din daw niya? Sino? Sandali nga, parang na-chismis ako doon. No? Sino? You? Hindi ako sure sa you. You na anong you? You, other you pala yun. 2 a.m. and the rain is falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused. You can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can say. Try again and walk away, but I believe for you. Parang nagdadalawang isip ako sa sinabi mo doon, brother Yung. But I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. In your arms as the dawn is breaking, face to face and 1,000 miles apart. I've tried my best to make you see there's hope beyond the pain. If we give enough, if we learn to trust, but only love can say. Try again or walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart. But I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. Parang nilala ko mata ka, ano? I know if I can find the words to touch you deep inside, you'd give a dream just one more chance. Let this be our last goodbye. Hindi ko alam, di ko. I love. Try again and walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart. But I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. Hey, Bonifacio, that's something only love can do. 21 guns? Parang hindi ko alam yan.